Hey there, a very warm welcome to our YouTube tutorials on Git. When you start programming, it will be very beneficial to learn the concepts of version control. There are many version control applications, but Git is the best opinion in mine. If you are a developer, then it is your platform. If you are a beginner, worry not, you are at the right place to start things off. We will be discussing various concepts on version control systems, why do we need it, and various applications of Git. So, without wasting time, let's get started right away. I am Abhiram BJ, the speaker of Glue, which is one of the FOSS community. Do like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon below to get the latest updates. In this video, I will be speaking about account creation in GitLab, which is one of the application of version control system. Then, we will look into what is version control system, why do we need it, and many applications of Git. There is a saying that knowledge is of no value unless you put into practice. So, before getting into VCS, let's practically make our hands dirty. Now, let's create an account in GitLab and know the things in a better way. Open any browser in your PC or mobile. Open the official page of GitLab, that is gitlab.com. The link will be given in the description below. Next, click on the top right corner that shows register. Then click on register to create a new account if you don't have one. Or click on sign in to log into your existing account if you have already created one. Here I will show about the registration as this will be helpful to lots of beginners. Enter your details there, then click on register. Then select the appropriate option that suits you, then click enter. Hooray! You have successfully created and logged into your account. Now we have created an account on GitLab, but there are certain questions that runs on everyone's mind. What is GitLab? Why do we have to do that? What is the use of it? You may be questioning yourselves. But wait, let me answer this. Let us know first what is Git. Git is a free and open source distributed version control system designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. Let me give you some scenarios. Suppose you are grouped with 3 to 4 members as a team and are specified to do a project, but all the members of your team are at different places in your country. You even won't be able to travel to those places personally, but somehow it is manageable for 3 to 4 members. But what if your team has more than 20 members? What are you supposed to do? Another thing is that all of you are working on the same project, but the implementation for the same have different approaches. How would you collaborate it? In these cases, you can use version control system like Git, which allows you to track changes in the files and project with multiple people. You can maintain different versions of the same project and you can use it anytime and anywhere. There are many version control systems like GitHub, GitLab, Apache Subversion, CVS, Mercurial, and many more. But we do prefer Git because it is widely used and user friendly. Most importantly, it is free and open sourced. Now, we have already created an account in GitLab. Now, let's know what is GitLab, its uses and application. GitLab is web-based repository manager that lets the team collaborate on code, duplicate code to safely create and edit new projects. It is designed to help the software development lifecycle. Coming to its uses, it provides a cloud storage for your code and it may be available to others. You can even help other developers by contributing to them. It also provides the documentation for various projects. GitLab is very user friendly and free for users. It is open source licensed. It has even the ability to track bugs and fix them online. It can even give access to import the files. Now, we have looked into GitLab, but you may think that there are other version control systems than GitLab. Why the other version control systems are not mentioned here? Yes, we prefer GitLab than GitHub because GitHub is owned by Microsoft. Microsoft is a proprietary software. As we in Glue prefer free and open source software, we prefer GitLab than GitHub. GitLab being free and open source in nature, that's where the community it is. It allows to host your own servers on GitLab and allows other unlimited private repositories for free, whereas in GitHub it is not. When compared to GitHub, GitLab provides importing and exporting projects for free and provides time tracking feature. It even provides you live coding and testing features. Now, we got to know why we give more importance to GitLab than GitHub. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will start learning how to use Git by command line and graphical interface. Please do like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon below to know the latest updates. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.